Hello. Welcome to Live, Love, and Learn. Today, I want to share with you my painful tooth journey. I have been enduring almost 2 months of toothache and it is really, really painful. The pain goes up to my head. Fortunately, Doc Carmelo is available online and they gave me online prescription which I really appreciate. I felt relieved after buying the pain reliever and antibiotic. And so last Friday, I decided to finally have my tooth removed to end my pain. After 5 days, I went to visit their clinic and it was really equipped with safety materials to avoid the spread of virus. I was amazed to see their preparation with their high-end equipment. They were all wearing PPE and they really follow the safety protocol. It was amazing. I thought I was just being scheduled, but after a while Doc Carmelo led me inside and decided to have my teeth extracted. The very part that I love most during dental visit is the injection for anesthesia. Yes, injection for anesthesia. It gives me the confidence that I would not feel a thing. After a few hours of struggle with my strong, damaged teeth, finally the session is over. I was prescribed again with antibiotics like this one. I really admire their prescription. It is complete with home care instructions after extraction. I will share it with you. First, remove gauze pack or cotton roll 30 minutes after extraction. If still bleeding, get clean gauze or cotton roll and bite with pressure for 30 minutes. Second, refrain from rinsing the mouth vigorously within 12 hours after extraction. Third, after every brush, you may use any brand of mouthwash or dissolve salt into warm water and use it as a mouthwash. Fourth, apply cold compress for 10 to 20 minutes after extraction. Fifth, take medication as prescribed. Notify dentist of any known allergy. Sixth, refrain from unnecessary physical exertion and extreme heat exposure. Seventh, soft or regular diet as tolerated. Eighth, expect slight pain and moderate swelling. Ninth, expect small pieces of bone may work out of the gums, often mistaken by patients as fractured tooth. Report to the clinic for removal. 10th, inform dentist through text or call if there are any concern. And because I am so obedient, I have used my mouth once again and exerted effort and talk much and ate a lot of not so soft diet. No wonder I cannot talk right now. This time I promise to obey the rules. I hope next week I could already speak. If you like this video, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to brush your teeth. Bye.
Live, love, and learn.